Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we will have two fuses that we need to check. We'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F150. Even if you have a different year, but that generation video may be helpful. You guys have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood right here. Okay, if you open the hood on your F150, right above the radiator fan, you have the fuse box here. But we don't need this one. We need the one that's inside the vehicle. We're talking about the one on the passenger side, under the dash, kind of like under the glove box, by the kick panel right there in the foot. Well, you open the cover on the side, and you're going to see your glove box, your fuse box, excuse me, looks just like that. We took a picture, we zoomed it a little bit so we can show you clearly everything here in a great detail. Now, let's explain why you should always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. We will need to check two fuses for the steering column control module. That's the first row here. We need to work in the second row right there, guys. We need to specifically find fuse number 23, which will be under that relay in the second row will be 1, 2, that second fuse, that 15 amp fuse here that you need to check. And next you will need to find one more fuse, which is number 24. So these two fuses, guys, this one and the one right there, these two fuses will need to be checked for the steering column control. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.